So what we're going to do is feed the rope through the chains, through the links directly. So this isn't the best situation here. There really should be another chain link to bring that angle down, but it's what we're working with today. So the next step is I'm going to tie a stone knot, and I'm going to do this to isolate the ropes. I think I want it this way. Yeah, that looks better to me. So now this rope is completely independent of this rope, and that way I can have a redundant rope solo system. Top rope solo is significantly more dangerous than just top roping because you don't have a buddy to double check you to make sure that things are correct. So I've got my gree here. I'm gonna put it through that guy and through my hand, which is my brake hand. I'm gonna flip it in. This rope isn't gonna be used at this time. My brake strand, and off we rappel. I like to have is a micro traction Petzl and some kind of ascending device just in case things go bad and I need to rescue myself, and a CT roll and lock as my backup. So the reason that you have 2 ropes and 2 devices is in case there is some kind of failure of one of the ropes, you have another one to back you up. And I've learned recently that what happens is sometimes bushes and shrubs will catch this or disable this brake, believe it or not, and that gives you an actual backup. Okay, so now last step is I take off my gree because that's for descending. Stow it, and I'm ready to climb. One last thing I have to do is I have to attach some weight to the bottom, and in this case I'm just going to attach my backpack. It needs to hang free of the ground just by a little, and if it's too heavy it is hard to pull the rope through. So if you notice, I got it like clipped in my backpack right here. You could use something as little as a couple of Nalgene water bottles, or the back end of your rack would work fine. I'm all set, and I'm going to start climbing. Now, if you don't put weight on here, it causes your ropes to not slide freely, or your gear to not slide freely, and essentially disables them. See how those devices are just trailing behind. It's really important that your rope never gets slack, because if you fall on it, it can tear through the sheath. So I'm at the top, and now I'm going to clear my anchor and rappel down. I'm going to get ready to rappel. I'm in a secure spot, so I'm going to release. I'm going to release that stone knot and take the carabiner. Now I'm going to be rappelling through the anchor. It's important that I secure both lines. The way I'm going to hook up my rappel today is I'm have a normal carabiner here, have a pear-shaped carabiner here. I'm going to feed it through like this. I'm going to take it and clip it. Oops, could you see that? Clip it through like that. And then clip it up like this. Now we have plenty of friction. And on the bottom of the rope, I'm going to put my VT Pressic. I'm gonna do it this time in a Pressic mode. Because I don't have an extended rappel situation, I'm going to clip this to my leg loop. It's not really my favorite way to do it, but it's gonna be better because I don't want to get jammed up. Now, it's also important to know how this operates, right? When you're descending, it's important not to grab this as you descend, because if you panic grab, you're just gonna slide to your demise. So what you want is your pinky here and your hand grips here. That way, if you panic grab, you're just grabbing the rope and the Pressic can still engage. All right, well, thanks for watching. I know it was a bit weird seeing it in like point of view perspective, but you know, that's what happens when you are out top rope soloing. So remember, top rope soloing is crazy dangerous. So make sure that you double, triple check everything before you make any moves, either vertical in the vertical world, like either rappelling or climbing. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you next time.